How to create a faceless YouTube video. A step-by-step guide creating a YouTube video without showing your face is a great way to maintain privacy while still building an audience. Whether you're camera shy, value your anonymity, or simply prefer not to be on screen, faceless videos can still be highly engaging and successful. Here's how you can create your own faceless YouTube videos. 1. Choose your content type. The first step is deciding the type of content you want to create. Many faceless YouTube channels focus on specific niches. Here are a few popular content types that work well without showing your face. Voiceover narration. Use your voice to narrate content over images, animations, or gameplay. Screen recording. Create tutorial videos, software reviews, or gaming videos by recording your computer screen. Animation and motion graphics. Produce animated videos or use motion graphics for educational or entertainment purposes. Stock footage and B-roll. Use royalty-free stock footage or B-roll and add your voiceover or text overlay. Podcasts or storytelling. Share stories, interviews, or educational content purely through audio. 2. Tools you'll need to create a faceless video. You'll need certain tools and software, both for video creation and editing. Here's what you might need. Voice recording. Microphone. A good microphone is essential for clear audio. Consider options like the Blue Yeti or Audio-Technica ATR2100X. Software. Use Audacity, free, or Adobe Audition, paid, to record and edit your voiceover. Video creation and editing. Screen recording, OBS Studio or Camtasia for high-quality screen captures. Video editing. Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or free software like DaVinci Resolve for editing your footage. Animation tools. For animations, you can use After Effects, Blender, or Vyond for simple animated videos. Stock footage and music. Websites like Storyblocks, Pexels, or Pixabay offer royalty-free stock videos and images. Background music. Use royalty-free music from platforms like Epidemic Sound or YouTube's audio library. 3. Create and edit your video. Now that you have your tools, you're ready to start creating your video. Start by recording the voiceover script. Make sure to speak clearly and at a comfortable pace. For more engaging audio, try to modulate your voice and add inflections to keep it interesting. Depending on your content type, gather visuals that align with your theme. You can use gathering visuals, screen recordings for tutorials, gameplay, or reviews. Animations or motion graphics for educational or fun content. Stock footage for background imagery or scenes to complement your audio. Use editing software to combine your voiceover with visuals. You may need to adjust the timing, add transitions, and synchronize the audio with the visuals. Remember to add background music for a polished feel, but make sure it's not too distracting. 4. Optimize your video for YouTube. Even though you're not showing your face, you still need to optimize your video to attract viewers and get more views. Since you won't be using a face in your thumbnail, consider using bold text, interesting imagery, or icons that reflect your video's content. Tools like Canva or Adobe Spark are great for creating eye-catching thumbnails. Make sure your title is optimized for search engines, SEO, and describes your video accurately. Include keywords related to your niche, and write a detailed video description with tags to help it rank. Post regularly to build an audience. Use a content calendar and aim to upload at least once a week. Regular uploads keep your channel active and engaging. 5. Monetizing your faceless YouTube channel. Monetization can be a little tricky when you're not showing your face, but it's still possible. Here are the ways you can earn money. Once you reach the YouTube Partner Program threshold, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, you can monetize your videos with ads. Promote relevant products or services and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. You can earn commissions on sales made through these links. If you build a niche audience, companies may pay you to review their products or services in your videos. If your channel grows, you can create and sell your own merchandise through YouTube's merchandise shelf or platforms like Teespring. 6. Legal consideration. When creating faceless content, you must be aware of copyright laws. Make sure the music and sound effects you use are royalty-free, or that you have permission to use them. Using copyrighted material without permission could result in your video being demonetized or taken down. Always check the licensing for any stock footage or images you use to ensure they're free for commercial use. Conclusion. Creating a faceless YouTube channel. Creating a faceless YouTube video is a great way to build a channel while maintaining your privacy. By choosing the right content, tools, and strategies, you can produce high-quality videos that attract views and generate income. Whether you prefer voiceovers, animation, or screen recordings, there are countless ways to create engaging content without showing your face. With consistency and creativity, you can build a successful YouTube channel that resonates with your audience.